Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis update of oil and natural gas, some of my favorite sectors. And guess what? They're still my favorite, even if they fall. Why? Because we have inventory imbalances. We have imbalances out in the market that are hitting our inventories. And I do think that we're going to go higher, much higher. So I'll give you my financial opinion here. Let's go over the charts, and I'll let you know what's going on in the short term. We've got this pattern here. We've broken it to the upside. We're doing the retest move. That's just what markets like doing. They want to shake everyone out before they go ballistic. And we could come back a little bit more. I hope we do, guys. I am looking to buy more in specifically natural gas because I'm already kind of overweight in the oil sectors. I've got some pretty big positions in them. But I'd like to pick up a little bit more natural gas if it can give me that extra pullback. But oil, and remember, they're highly correlated to oil as well. I do think that we could come back here a little bit more. We have a pretty large down day today, 5.2%. That momentum needs to get worked off, but I think we'll come back hopefully one more day or two or whatever it takes. And I think we'll have just a short-term little pullback. But overall, it looks absolutely excellent for a move higher after this pullback is finished. Natural gas getting a little bit of a sell-off today. Okay, a lot of a sell-off today. But again, natural gas is probably going to do one of these like movements like that, and then a big move higher. What I like to do is I like to alert people if you're on the website to say this is a company that I would be looking at. So when you cost average in, I said it on this, these days in here, cost average in slowly, get it through this whole area, and then eventually you'll get your move higher. So that's what I'm looking for. XOP getting a little bit of me. So yeah, we broke out, maybe get a little bit of retest, and then a bounce higher. That's what I'm hoping for. SM just moving sideways. It's getting stuck going sideways with crude oil and natural gas. Again, it's been very strong, just sitting there. CDEV getting a little bit more of a sell-off. Again, we're above the support area. Everything looks fine. Crew Energy sell-off today. Buyers bought it back up throughout the day. Banks are probably buying this stuff up, pushing it pre-market, buying it during the market as people sell and are scared. CPE still sitting on its support line. I still think it's a good looking chart here. Athabasca Oil, a little bit of a sell-off today. Really not much, but we've broken out of the pattern to the upside. Still looks absolutely fantastic. Recaf just nudging higher today. We've got Crescent Point Energy above its big old lines here. There it is. It looks good. Looks good. Northern Oil and Gas still moving sideways with the rest of the crew. We could pull back a little bit. And we'll see where we go. GTE getting a little bit of a pullback. Again, we've broken out of this. We're probably going to do a retest move. And that's the name of the game. Just know the game. Just moving sideways with Tellurian. We've got Pedevco moving a little bit to the downside. We've got Oasis moving a little bit sideways. We've got this kind of pattern that's developing here. Hopefully we can break. It's hugging the upside of that pattern. Comstock Resources, a little bit of a down day today. I would not be worried about it. Still looks good. SD Energy, again, we've got that hammer pattern. We'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. We'll see. REI, again, we're right at that support line area. So that one's looking good. ZPTAF, this is Surge Energy. Will we be surging soon? I don't know. We'll find out, but it's got a little down day today. Really holding up well compared to the rest of the group. We've got Tamarack Valley Energy above its downtrend line looking okay. We've got Crescent Energy, still just a down day like the majority of them. This guy's got a little pattern going on. I was just going to draw it in, but good thing I already did. But that's looking fine. Meg Energy is one that kind of broke out of its pattern. Still looking good on the long term. We've got Energy Services that are looking really good. We've broken out. Small little down day today. Nothing to worry about. Tetra Technologies, just, yeah, it's a little bit more of a large down day, but again, it still looks fine. We back out. And it looks very cheap from a big long-term perspective here. Transocean, again, we're putting in this gigantic pattern. We're still within the pattern. We've got Pump, another energy service company, putting in a bullish engulfing. That looks really bullish, actually. That one looks really good. EXTN's looking good, just a small down day. Valaris, again, small down day, still looking good. MMA Offshore, another one that's been moving sideways. This looks excellent. If you're in Australia, I would be looking at it right now. TDW, another one that's going down a little bit. Again, just let it make you money, guys. Just hold on to this beast. NEX, this guy's been an animal. Small down day. KLXE getting a little bit more of a selling pressure. Maybe we head back a little bit lower here. We broke out. Maybe we come back and do a little full retest on it. CHX starting to move up. This guy's starting to break out of its big old pattern. Looking good. Cactus Energy, moving sideways, still looks good. This is 9 Energy Services, bouncing below its breakout area. It hasn't broken out. Below its resistance area is what I was trying to say. Still looks okay. OII, this guy is still inside the pattern. Still looks good. Noble Energy, yeah, it still looks fine, guys. Still looks fine. We've got Helix Energy Solutions on top of its pattern moving sideways. This looks absolutely excellent. We've got CGGYY. It's starting to move higher. This looks absolutely excellent. Petrofac, again, still looking good. Looks like we are about to almost break out. That looks good. McCoy Global looking solid as you can be. And look, Diamond Offshore starting to move higher. No one would have wondered that one. Called it on the website. Definitely, definitely I did. And I also purchased this one myself in this general vicinity, added it to the good old portfolio. You can see what's in my portfolio, my recent purchases, if you become a platinum member. So that's what we've got for today. I'm a oil and natural gas bull. I will remain a bull. We are breaking out of patterns to the upside, just doing return moves. That's it. That's all we're doing. What are the best ones to purchase? You're going to have to sign up to the website to find out. It's platinum membership below. Yeah, I'm selling it a little bit, but that's where I put all the information. You can see which ones I have purchased here recently over the past week or two, or a couple weeks, I should say. I definitely have favorites. I definitely verbalize my favorites during our question and answer sessions, and which ones I think still have a lot of upside potential based off of their valuations and chart patterns and previous fractals in the charts. So all of those combined, I definitely share my views on the website and the Zoom calls, and you can find out what I like if you sign up. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.